Select cell F4. On the formula bar, click the Insert Function button. Excel inserts an equal sign in the formula bar, indicating you will be inserting a formula in cell F4. The Insert Function dialog box opens. Click the or select a category arrow. Excel displays a list of function categories. Click Logical. Excel displays a list of logical functions in the Select a Function box. Click If. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box opens with text boxes for entering function arguments. The insertion point is in the Logical Test text box, which will contain the argument that represents the condition the function will check for. Type E4 greater than sign 0 in the Logical Test box. The if function will test for a value greater than 0 in cell E4. Press Tab. The insertion point moves to the Value if true box. Type Yes in the Value if true box. If the value in cell E4 is greater than 0, the if function will return a yes value in cell F4. Excel automatically inserts quotation marks around text values, but the quotation marks won't appear in the value returned by the formula. Press Tab. Type No in the Value if false box. If the value in cell E4 is less than or equal to 0, the if function will return a no value in cell F4. Click OK. Excel returns a result of yes in cell F4, and the completed formula for the if function appears in the formula bar.